From ashes rising, shadows gleam, a quiet force inside the dream. Through every break, a truth unfolds. The power in now takes hold. Depths rewritten, fire in my veins, breaking through the fear that remains. Changes calling, fierce and divine. Transformation, this life is mine. The storm within begins to clear.